Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to close all apps on iPhone. So you may want to close applications that are running on your background that may cause unnecessary battery drainage, or sometimes the application might not work properly. In that case, you may want to close the application and then reopen it again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to close such applications in various cases. So now let's get started with the process. First of all, what you would have to do is you have to just tap on the bottom end of your iPhone screen and then swipe it upwards like this. And you can see your apps popping up on your screen that you have been using recently. Now, in order to delete all these apps, you have to tap on each and every application that you want to delete and then simply swipe it towards the upward side. Now you can see that the alarm app is closed. Do the same for Snapchat. Tap on the app and swipe it up. Let's do the same for Instagram as well. Tap on the app and swipe it up. Do the same for every application that has been running on your iPhone's background. By doing these steps, all the applications that are opened on your phone will be closed. So let's close all the application on my phone's background. Now all applications have been closed, and if you try to swipe up the bottom of the screen again, you won't find any applications there. So that's it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.